We're gonna try and pull this thing out of here. We've got a number of things lined up. We're going to be doing a classic 69 Torino 428 Super Cobra Jet build. We're going to bring you some content with modern Cobra Jets, a 2012 and a 2014 Cobra Jet, drag race, no prep racing, etc. And we've got a one of the world's fastest 3.7 liter Mustangs that we're building, one of the few D1X ProCharger Mustangs that we're building, a brand new motor for. We've got a GSXR 1000 for you bike guys that we're going to be converting into a drag bike on nitrous, and all kinds of stuff, so stay tuned. In this episode, we're going to be bringing you an unboxing for a professional drag race tree, just like you would have at the drag strip. So I believe it's called Pro Tree. I'm not sure. It's in the video. You'll see it. But anyways, it's just a quick video we did when we were down to Dallas and building this system for Bill Fletcher from the Goodness Project and Team Goodness Racing. And hope you guys enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. With Paul Whalen from Whisper Tuning, Bill Fletcher from Team Goodness, Goodness Racing, and the Goodness Project. Just for Bill's racing program, what we're going to do is put together an actual NHRA starting line for him at his warehouse so that he can practice hitting the Cobra Jet, getting consistent on the light. So we're going to do an unboxing for you. If you order a tree from NHRA, this is what it's going to look like. Porta-Tree out of, where are they out of, Bill? Porta-Tree Timing Systems out of Blackstone Street, Uxbridge, Massachusetts, it looks like. Comes all nicely packaged. Already goodies right there. Oh yeah, there it is, look at that. So it looks like a comms cable here, probably to the box, the starter box. Looks like accessories here. And this, oh, those are the bulbs.
Yep.
Bulbs, so they come all nice and protected. More bulbs, more bulbs. It looks like the Eliminator Pro timing system, and you can set up your tree as a Pro Tree or just a regular Eliminator tree. There it is. Yeah, look at that, eh? Pretty awesome. Pre-stage and stage signage. Oh, there we go. There's the brand. Now I understand why guys have a problem doing this one-handed. Enable, disable, auto start switch, and processor and everything in there, I would imagine. Comes with 2 stickers for extra horsepower.